In this tutorial, we're going to use the Allocate Input tool in Alteryx. This allows you to bring in some external data that is prepared and ready for Alteryx to use. I believe it is limited to geospatial data and census data, but that's a lot of very important data, so that's fine. It is worth noting that before you can use this tool, you do need to download and install it, and it has a separate license agreement. To download it, go to downloads.alteryx.com/data.html and select the US 2010 Census SF1. Go ahead and download it. Follow the instructions down here to extract the folder and then install with data, the data install program that is extracted when you extract the files. Once you have downloaded and installed it, restart Alteryx if it was open when you installed it, and then you're ready to go. So I will go to Allocate Input. I'm going to click and drag that down into here. It is going to be located somewhere up on this bar up top under the Demographic Analyses tab, but that's pretty far over, which is why I just used the search box. Now, with the Allocate Input, you will have a choice of what data sets to use. You're going to want to use the one labeled Most Recent Vintage, based on the instructions given to us in the chapter. And the data that we're going to want to select from here is state-level data. So we'll go and just check the States box in the Pick Geography tab. And then from there, we want the total population. So we'll go to Pick Variables, Expand Population, Expand US Census 2010, scroll down and select Total Population. Finally, we will go to Special Fields and uncheck Return Spatial Object field. The spatial object field would be if we needed to extract additional data from it in the future. We don't need to do that. We're just interested in population by state. So we can go and click drag a browse in, and then run it, and get Alabama has this population, Alaska has this population, Arkansas has this population, and so on.